Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 29th, 2022. Today the IPA full course plus a game. The IPA is a pronunciation system. For this course, you need a notebook, a pen, and some flashcards. Please write everything on flashcards. On one card, please write the 16 consonants that we already know from the alphabet, like this: bet, det, fet, get, het, ket, let, met, net, pet, ret, set, tet, vet, wet, zet. And then please make another card like this, with the same consonants in the last position: teb, ted, tef, teg, te, tek, tel, tem, ten, tep, ter, tes, tet, tev, tu, tes. Now the next one is C17. This is consonant 17 because we already learned 16. Number 17 is the thank you, TH symbol. Please write it in your notebooks now if you remember it. It looks like that. Thank you. Number 18, the mother, TH symbol. Please write it in your notebook. Here it is, mother. Number 19, the SH symbol, she, ship. It looks like that. Number 20 is the letter J, which sounds like a Y. We write a J, but it sounds like ya. Number 21, the treasure symbol. It sounds like this: zh, treasure. It looks like that. Zh. Number 22, at the end of words, the NG symbol, sing, song. It looks like that. Sing, sang. Number 23, the CH symbol, cha-cha-cha. It starts with the letter T together with the SH symbol. Makes cha. Child. Number 24, the J symbol. This one sounds like Jennifer. You start with the letter D in English together with the treasure symbol. And these two together make ja. Jennifer. We finished 24 consonants. Now we will do 11 vowels. Vowel number 1 is the letter E, but it only sounds like eh. For example, bed. Vowel number 2, the schwa symbol. If you remember how to write it, please write it in your notebook now. It looks like this, an upside down E. Number 3, the cat symbol. A. It looks like this, cat. Number 4, the tree symbol. E. The first one with 2 dots is long, E. And the second one is short, E. Number 5, the big symbol, I. It looks like that, big. Number 6, the cup symbol, A. Like that, cup. Number 7, the blue symbol, oo. It looks like that, oo, blue. Number 8, the book symbol, It looks like that, book. The last 3 are golf course, bird. Number 9, the golf symbol, golf, aw. Number 10, the course symbol, aw. It looks like that. Number 11, the bird symbol, It looks like that. This one is always together with R. So together, Then the 5 diphthongs you can remember like this: boy, cow, go my way, boy. Please write these on flashcards if you're just learning them now. Cow, go, my way. That's it. Graduation time. Okay, it's game time. What's this word? Just stop the show if you need more time. Library. Number 2. Stop the show for more time. Dictionary. Dictionary. This has all the months: January, February, March. Calendar. Calendar. You did very well today, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.